Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio, and for this video, we would like to give you a quick guide to become an IMG member and of course an automatic Soldivo Funds mutual fund investor. So simulan natin, but before that, don't forget to subscribe on our channel kung hindi pa man kayo nakasubscribe para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod na mga videos and latest tutorials. Also, if you find this useful, this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and share it to other people. Okay, so let's start. What do you need to become an IMG member and an automatic mutual fund investor in IMG? You need a good internet connection para wala tayong hassle sa pag-online application. Your gadget, of course, it may be your laptop or your cell phone, your basic personal information, an active email address which is preferably Gmail kasi alam natin na ganyan ka-powerful ngayon ang Gmail and then a sponsor from IMG. So hindi ka nag-iisa dapat dito. Kailangan meron ka talagang sponsor and you should know the information of your sponsor, connect to your sponsor. And then of course, if you're a PH code or local member, Philippine member of IMG, if you wish to be a member of IMG at nakabase ka dito sa Pilipinas, 5,500 membership fee. Pwedeng online transfer po yan. Mamaya pakita natin. And of course, this quick guide para mas ma-avoid natin yung mga mistakes na gagawin natin. Okay? Otherwise, kung hindi tayo susunod sa guide natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng medyo delay or problema. Okay? Now, how to join? First is to log in to our website, www.img-corp.net. At makikita nyo dito, since hindi pa tayo member, not yet a member, you just need to click here to join. Yan po yung button. Okay, after that, nakakakita kayo ng ganitong page. You have to ensure that you have the correct sponsor. Although makikita nyo dito, meron tayong please select or click your country. So again, 55 for Philippine code. Ito po yung ating i-click. And then kung hindi naman at nasa ibang countries ka at gusto mong yun ang rate mo or yun yung babayaran mong membership fee doon sa countries na yun, mamaya papakita natin yung mga rates. Just click here to sign up for other countries. Now, ang unang-una po natin i-ensure or dapat siguraduhin yung kung correct yung sponsor nyo. So kung ako po yan, ayan po yan. Kung hindi naman, you just need to click the change agent link sa ilalim ng pangalan na yan. Okay? So kung mag-change kayo ng agent, just make sure na nandito kayo sa ganitong page, you should know your sponsor's agent code. Okay? So kailangan po tanungin natin siya. Hindi po enough na pangalan lang ng ating sponsor yung alam natin. So again, if I am your sponsor, you just need to enter that uh, PH code. So ako po, 119411, that's an example. And then kung okay na, lalabas po talaga yung pangalan nung may-ari ng code na yun. Just need to click the submit button. Okay? Ayan. So kung okay na tayo sa sponsor, it's now time to select your country or your base. So po pwedeng sa 55 joining fee for our Philippine local members. Again, one time po yan na 55 ang ating babayaran. Kung gusto natin continuous lahat ng benefits, at makita natin yung ating portal for mutual funds, you just need to renew it every year na 1,500 pesos lang. Okay? So, click that link button kung Philippine code. Dito lang kapag ka other countries. Now, tingnan natin, silipin natin yung mga rate or membership fees sa iba't ibang countries. Ito po yung sa Asia. Kung Hong Kong ka, ayan, Hong Kong dollar, 1,500. So, tingnan nyo lang po kung saan kayo naka-base. Ayan po, for Australia and Middle East. For example, Middle East ka, nasa Dubai or Abu Dhabi ka, this is the joining fee. That's 740 dirhams. Okay? If you're in Europe, ayan po, ang dami nating mga rates about in Europe, but most of them are in 185 euros. Okay? And then, of course, South America and USA, Canada, sa USA po, 180 US dollars. And then sa Africa. Okay? So, kung okay na po tayo doon sa ating base or country or kung PH code 55. So, ito po ang example natin dun sa 55. Okay, 5,500 joining fee. Lahat po ng fields na may asterisk are required. So, again, be extra careful on filling out the form and then avoid mistakes. So, ayan po, last name, full name, first name, full middle name, and then your email address. It should be active. Makikita nyo po yung sponsor code and sponsor name. Just make sure na tama po yung inyong in-input. Ayan po yung magre-reflect dyan. And then no need for this. Okay? Kung may trainer po, sige po, kahit hindi siya naka-asterisk, pwede po nating ilagay. For forwarding address, okay, ayan, ayan. Then po yung sponsor code, sponsor name. For forwarding address, it is based on your location. So kung Canada, tingnan nyo lang po kung ano yung mga appropriate na forwarding address. You connect with your sponsor for assistance kung hindi po alam ang gagawin. But for Batangas itself, lalo na po kung ako yung sponsor nyo, makikita nyo po dyan na meron nakalagay na IMG Batangas care of Connie Osorio. So yan lang po yung inyong isi-select. But of course, if you're not sure of that, kailangan po kausap nyo ang inyong sponsor. Okay? And then, ayan, sunod na po yung nasa ilalim, personal information ninyo. Again, lahat ng may asterisk are required. Careful lang po sa mga i-input natin. If your spouse is an IMG member, ayan lang po, lagyan po natin ng spouse code and spouse name. Ayan, kung wala naman po, naka-default po yan na IMG 100. Okay? So, just fill it up and then just continue with the next set of information, and that is your PH and current address. Now, naka-asterisk ko yung current address information. So, kung kayo po ay nasa Pilipinas, yan po yung inyong kailangang i-fill up. No need na ipasok pa dito. So kung kayo po ay nasa abroad naman, yung current address nyo dyan sa abroad or overseas or international base, kung saan man kayo nakabase. But don't forget to fill up also your Philippine address info para alam din natin kung saan kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Alright? And then don't forget yung sunod natin to tick yes or no for these simple questions. Just be honest na lang po. Ano po, yan po. Kung member kayo before ng IMG, ayan, tapos kung kayo po ay mga agent kayo ng mga life, non-life, and healthcare HMO company before, just enter the company name kapag yes po. Okay? And then, lastly, read and sign. So, carefully read the acknowledgement of prospective associate for IMG, and then scroll down nyo lang po pag ready na at nabasa nyo na, just indicate or sign here. And then pag nagkamali lang po, ay may clear button naman. Don't forget to click or check this subscribe to site newsletter para lagi tayong updated with IMG. If everything is okay, just click the continue button at mapupunta tayo sa page na ito. Makikita nyo yung code nyo. For example lang po, ayan po yung code natin. Just take note of your member code. Select a payment option appropriate for you. So, dito po sa example natin, bank deposit yung ating gagawin. Kailangan lang po may picture na tayo ng bank deposit na yan. Okay? And then at the same time, kung money remittance din po, kailangan din pong i-upload yan. And just like also bank transfer, online bank transfer. A screenshot of your bank transfer transaction will do. Careful lang po pag Palawan Express. Ano po, kasi magre-release yung ating system or portal ng sample fill-out form ng Palawan Express. All you need to do is to copy exactly kung ano yung nandun sa ating fill-out form, especially yung reference number. Huwag pong magkakamali. Now, if it's bills payment, BDO man siya or Nuracash, no need to upload po yan. Actually, lahat naman po ay properly na ibigay sa atin yung instruction every time you select an option here for your payment. For example po, bank deposit. Okay, again, your code is there and then bank deposit, click nyo yan. Makakakita kayo ng ganitong page. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, you will notice na 5.5 ang inyong babayaran. Okay, wala po talagang ang mga ibang charges kapag bank deposit. And then fill out the necessary information na meron dito. Don't forget to click that bank deposit or remittance payment option or method. Pag okay na tayo, click the next step button. Okay? And then, here, you need to select your desired bank from the list. Ayan. Kung ano po yung nearest bank or kung saan kayo kampante na bangko or kung saan man nyo planong mag-deposit ng payment. Ito po yung mga accounts ng IMG. Again, IMG International Marketing Group. At yan po yung mga account number ng ating IMG. Okay? Alright. Pagkatapos po niyan, ito na po yung mismong page. Kung hihingi po ang bangko ng reference number, nandito po yan sa ganyang, sa part na yan. At ang pinakamahalaga po, pag okay na tayo sa picture ng ating proof of payment, click nyo lang po itong hyperlink na naka-blue. Ayan, click here to send us the proof of payment for verification. At pagka okay na po tayo dyan, mafo-forward kayo dito sa epay.ph page, you need to input the necessary info from your proof of payment. Sakto po kung ano yung nasa picture or nasa deposit slip, yun po yung ilalagay natin na information, just like the date, the time, and then select file para i-upload nyo po yung inyong mismong deposit slip. Don't forget to click the submit button at pag na-submit nyo na po yan, meron na pong ibang page. Actually, ito po yung mga samples of acceptable deposit slips, okay? And bank transfers. So check the bank, date, time, account number, and the amount para saktong-sakto sa ating mga ilalagay sa epay.ph. Just like this online banking screenshot. Okay? So, ayan po. Pagka na-submit na natin, yan po yung makikita nating final page. Your payment now is under verification. Meron kayong thumbs up na page. Okay? So, sabi nga dyan, few banking days para ma-confirm yung payment. So, habang naghihintay po tayo ng payment, ayan, just always monitor kung makaka-login na kayo doon sa ating img-corp.net. Kung hindi pa po approve talaga yung payment, huwag malulungkot. Makakakita kayo ng ganitong notification whenever you try to log in. Pero punta lang kayo dito sa link na to, membership information page. At yan po yung itsura niya, your membership information. Pwede nang mag-change ng password or mag-edit ng profile. Or, ayan, pwede tayong wag nyo nang i-unsubscribe. Makikita nyo yung inyong agent code. And then, you can also log out. Okay? Now, kung okay na po tayo, isipin lang natin na tayo po ay automatic mutual fund investor na. So, yan po yung hinihintay natin. Pagka okay na yung payment natin, pwede na nating makita yung ating portal at yung dashboard for Soldivo funds. If that's the case at naka-receive na kayo ng email notification that you have an approved payment, go ahead and go to our img-corp.net. Kung ano man yung inyong agent code or member code, just supply that in the user ID, also the password na sinupply ni IMG, yung mismong binigay sa inyo. Or kung nakapag-change kayo ng password, yun ang gagamitin natin. And then, click the login button. And then, that's it. This is your powerful IMG portal now. All you need to do is to explore that. May mga videos po tayo to guide you on how to explore your portal. But for IMG Soldivo Fund itself, makikita nyo dito, may plus 1,000. Yan. Ibig sabihin, yung 1,000 pesos nyo, meron ng nabiling shares. But if you go to view portfolio button, wag pong ma-disappoint or wag malulungkot pag nakakita kayo ng for booking pa lang. Ayan. Dito po sa loob ng Soldivo Funds, dalawa yan. Okay, meron tayong strategic growth fund for long-term and bond fund, katulad ng sinasabi natin sa ibang mga videos natin. Ang atin pong 1,000 pesos dito mapupunta sa strategic growth fund. Okay, yan po for long-term. Again, for booking pa lang makikita nyo, but you can always go ahead and click that view details link. At pag pinasok nyo po yan, or pagka nakita nyo yan, ito po yung page ng inyong Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. For the purpose of illustration po, makikita nyo yung mga current NAV, kung yung mismong oras na inyong binuksan yan, makikita nyo yung current na bilihan per share. Ayan po yan. And then your folio number, usually your member code, yan na rin po yung folio number natin, or kumbaga sa bangko, yan po yung account number natin. Okay. Makikita nyo for booking pa lang yung 1,000 nyo, although meron na tayong ibang mga information. So wala pang number of shares. So let's say after 5 days or 7 days, the way you monitor it, minsan kasi depende talaga sa bilis ng pagbabayad natin or depende sa ginamit natin payment option. If it's for bills payment, minsan madali lang talaga. 3 to 5 days meron na po siya. Okay, so for booking pa lang siya. Pwede na pong mag-add subscription. Meron po tayong separate video for that. But after that, kung okay na yung ating what do you call this, yung for booking natin, yung strategic growth fund natin, after let's say 3 to 5 days or 1 week, magkakaroon na siya ng booking date. And then NAV is again net asset value and then the number of shares. So nakakatuwa, let's say no August, ayan, ang NAV natin is 59, ito na yung nabiling shares ng 1,000 mo. So, nag-accumulate din siya. Pag nag-add subscription ka, dumadami na yung iyong transaction at nag-accumulate ka na ng number of shares. Okay, so kung gusto nating mag-add ng subscription, again, go ahead and go to our YouTube channel and then look for how to top up in Soldivo funds using our IMG portal. So that's it. That's how to become an IMG member very quick and to become an automatic Soldivo mutual fund investors. Again, if you find this video useful, go ahead and click that like button and share it to other people. And this is again Coach Connie Osorio saying enjoy investing in IMG and Soldivo funds. God bless everybody.